Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to activate dark mode on your Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu. Go to settings and privacy. Now here you can see the option of dark mode. Click on this. Now here you can see two options. If you want to activate your dark mode on your Facebook, you just have to press on this on option. That's it. So this is how to activate dark mode on your Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.